In this video, we're going to learn about equivalent ratios. So if we have a problem like this that says, are the ratios 3 to 1 and 30 to 10 equivalent? Well, the first thing we need to do is figure out what a ratio even is. So understand that ratios are the same as fractions. We can rewrite a ratio into a fraction. So if we take 3 to 1 and 30 to 10, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Same thing for 30 to 10. This is the numerator, this is the denominator. So let's rewrite them as a fraction. So 3 to 1 is the same as 3 over 1, and 30 to 10 is the same as 30 over 10. Now, you need to compare the two fractions using a common denominator. 10 is common in both 1 and 10, so we could use 10. Okay, so we know that if we multiply 1 by 10, we would get 10. That's how we know that they're common. Now we can rewrite 3 over 1 with a denominator of 10. To do this, multiply top and bottom by 10. So it would look like this. 3 over 1 equals 3 times 10 over 1 times 10. So what we do to the top, we do to the bottom. Well, in this case, what we did to the bottom, we do to the top, right? So 1 times 10 is 10, 3 times 10 is 30. Well, that looks a lot like the other ratio. So 3 over 1 equals 30 over 10. So that means that the ratios 3 to 1 and 30 to 10 are equivalent. And that's how you do those kinds of problems. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. Take a look at the description. There's other videos there that are like this. As well, download the ebook. You could follow along this exact lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.